So what's up, YouTube, bro? We finna get into this monkey challenge or whatever. You know, our first official video, bro.
Official. Together, nigga. First official video.
So y'all gotta fuck with this one hard, bro.
For real,
this gonna be like the first video before I move. Then when I move, we're gonna make more.
You know. Can we at least get at least about 10 likes?
10 likes?
At least 10 likes, my nigga. At least 10 likes. 10 likes. We trying to go crazy. You know.
Stupid.
We trying to go crazy, man. Just, you know.
But yeah, we finna get into this shit. We'll talk to y'all later.
What's up? So y'all on the YouTube channel or whatever.
Add time.
Okay. So oh, what the fuck? They on that bot shit.
Fuck that bitch.
What's up?
Hi.
Y'all on the YouTube channel, just to let you know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you add time?
Add time?
Yeah.
Okay, so the question is, who would you smash or pass?
Probably the one in the blue and gray shirt.
Smash?
Smash, and then the other one pass.
Okay, thank you.
Have a nice day.
All right, you too. One zip. Swan. It is.
Telling you finna get this one.
What's up? So y'all on the YouTube channel, just to let y'all know.
Could you add time?
Add time. Shit. Okay, so the question is for all three of y'all, who would you smash or pass?
Smashing you.
Wait, me?
Smashing you.
Him?
I'm smashing you.
Me?
I'm gay.
Bro.
I'm smashing you.
Who is?
I'm smashing the one with no hair. But you're not. You actually fine.
Alright, thank you.
What?
Thank you.
Oh, they in the middle with the...
So, that's 3-0, y'all. You know, I'm going crazy on them.
Right,
that's 3-0.
Cool. It's cool.
3-0.
Alright, bro.
You better come with the or something.
Don't make me take my shirt off.
What's up? So
y'all on the YouTube.
Y'all on the YouTube channel right now. Add time.
Add time.
Hey, so the question is, who would you smash or pass?
The one in the white shirt.
Alright. Thank you. What about you? Oh, shit. Alright, so it's 3-1. It's 3-1. What's up?
They on the bus.
Oh, y'all on the bus. Okay, so add time. Y'all on the YouTube channel. Okay, so the question is, who would you smash or pass?
Yeah.
Damn.
Wait, what'd you say? Smash or pass?
Yeah, who would you smash or pass?
I'd smash the one in the white, and I'd pass the one in the
Yeah, okay.
Really? I did him.
Huh?
Damn.
Just kidding. How about we just rate you guys?
What?
Yeah, we'll just rate you guys.
Alright,
we'll
you
just
give
rate
me a
you
rate.
guys.
You give us a rate.
The one in the white is. Put your head to like sidebar. He broke the skateboard.
What do you mean?
He's cute. The one in the white, you're a 10.
Yeah.
To me, you're an 8. To me, the other one, he's an 8. No, the one in the white is an 8, and you're 9. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Welcome. Bye.
Yeah.
So it's 3 up. It's 3-3 or whatever.
Coming back.
But that ain't nothing. Cause you know why? Cause I'm finna fire on this nigga.
You know, I'm cuter with it. You know, the double hairline. You know this nigga can't compete. Bro.
Okay.
We lame.
Okay.
Alright, bro.
Alright.
She's 16 from Virginia.
Hey, how y'all doing?
See, he just tried to do his voice deep.
Okay, yeah. There we go. Oh yeah, it's grind time now.
We going crazy.
What's up?
What's up?
Nothing. How are you guys?
Good, how y'all doing? Okay, so
Y'all
y'all on
on
the
the
YouTube
YouTube
channel.
channel.
Add time.
At time.
Okay.
Okay, so
You gotta choose between one of us to smash or pass.
What's that?
You gotta choose between one of us to smash or pass. Who you smashing and who you passing?
I'm passing the one with the blue, like, on his shirt, the navy blue on his shirt, like, on the top. And I would smash the one with the backpack. No offense.
It's all good. What about you?
Same. Smash you.
alright, thank y'all.
Thank you.
Hey, y'all go subscribe though.
Yeah, hey, subscribe to our channel. K1.
Okay.
And I'ma send it to you. Add me as a friend.
Okay, bye.
Alright, bye.
Alright.
Yeah.
3-5.
Yeah.
I gotta come with something. I don't know what I'm doing right now.
Mitch, this bitch at
Bro, you know what's crazy though?
What?
I forgot the screen recording.
Screen record. Damn. So we gonna have to start over.
I'm just baffled right now. You know, it's okay though. So, which going? What's up?
Oh, they ain't showing their face.
No, okay.
Kate followed you. I guess. Mutually followed? Yes. She's 16.
Hey, how you doing?
How you doing?
Good.
Wait, time out. How old are you?
I'm 11.
Okay, you got it.
Alright, yeah.
This not. It's...
At time.
Oh no. Catch a case.
No.
You tripping.
So we gonna post that part too?
Yeah, we just gonna post it. We just gonna post the whole thing, bro. We just gonna post the whole. It don't even matter no more. Right?
Alright. She's 20 from Texas.
We doing everything live. What's up? Huh?
Huh?
Hello?
Yo. Shoot up in the face, your catfish. Whoa. So I'm in the lead. 5 to his
3.
3.
But it's okay though.
He not coming back. He not coming back.
If we go viral, I'm gonna make a game.
Hello?
What's up?
What's up?
Ooh, I'm finna bust down. Oh.
Hey, add time.
Hey, add time.
Add time.
What'd you
Okay.
say?
Alright, so y'all are on the YouTube channel. You have to choose between one of us to smash or pass. Who you smashing and who you passing?
Smash, pass. The
No,
one on
you
the left, white, smash. The one other one, pass. Which one? Smash or pass? Smash. I'll smash that one. We're all gonna smash you with the white shirt. That one, pass. What?
That's why all y'all hoes ugly anyway.
Oh.
Alright, it's alright. Bro, let me get on this side, bro. You getting all the money.
But what that mean? They don't mean nothing, man.
Alright.
Alright, add time.
Add time.
Add time.
Add,
I don't know what y'all saying.
Because you ugly fucking. It's all good. It's all good in the hood. Easy.
He looks like a Teletubby.
Who look like a Teletubby?
I can hear Simone's music.
Oh, your booty stink.
She popping everything.
Look like pissing rocks. Shout out to my boy Mark. Mark _504. Follow him, bro. He's a real nigga. Alright. Meet Shay Shay. She's 16 from New York. Shay Shay. I don't think I want to talk to a female named Shay Shay.
Shy, shy.
Alright. Meet Kaylee.
What's up?
What's up, Kaylee?
Is it cause we're no.
Damn.
Hey, you cook? Never mind.
I mean, hey. Skip.
Yeah, these females tripping. I don't understand.
It's alright. taking all the lighting.
All right, we got 3-8. It's 3-8. I got 3. He got 8. Hey, we doing a YouTube channel, so you on one right now. Just let you add time.
Add time.
Add time.
Add time. All right. Is it 3 of y'all?
Yeah.
All right. So you got to choose between smashing or passing one of us. I said passing. Which one are you smashing and which one are you passing?
I will pass the one with the waves. I will smash you.
Did I win? Did I win?
No, you got 9, nigga. I got 4.
Okay.
She said she gonna smash the one with the waves and pass you.
All right.
What about the one on the other side?
She said smash you, pass the one with the waves.
Fuck! Yeah!
Alright.
Oh.
Alright. Hey, y'all go subscribe to our YouTube channel, bro.
Yeah.
Y'all go subscribe. Hey, it's K1.
It's K1, NG, and J.
Hey, we gonna add y'all. We gonna add y'all,
Oh
alright?
shit, that was close.
Add us as a friend.
Yeah. We gonna.
I'm gonna send you my our channel.
And we let y'all friends know about this too, cause y'all gonna be on there, alright?
All right.
Alright.
So
Yeah. So
Stop thinking.
So at the end of the day, like I said, I won. He take the L for today. We should really do like a loser winner type thing. Like loser got to do some shit.
Yeah.
That hurt would be live. But yeah, so we ain't gonna really do too much on it. I won. Take.
I ain't gonna lie.
Take
He took them. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Took that mean ass dub 4 to 10, my nigga. Come on, but I'm gonna tell y'all why. Cause like at a point in time, this nigga started saying, "Okay, you gonna smash your pet." That's why that nigga took it up. But it's alright though.
How?
Hold it.
How?
I ain't gonna flex. That's what happened. But it's alright though. I'm gonna take my L. I'm gonna take my L. Alright.
They don't count though. They don't count though because they ugly.
Nah.
They ugly, but they count.
Everybody's beautiful in their own way. I'm gonna take that L. He took the dub. It is what it is, bro. But we gon' look, bro. We really trying to do this, like for real.
Yeah.
We really.
Y'all. This like This like the first run. See how y'all like it.
I'm saying, bro. We really trying to do this, bro. We really trying to go crazy on this, bro.
Y'all gotta comment. Y'all gotta subscribe.
All
Bro.
that,
Let
bro.
your friends know, bro.
Smash that
video,
like button.
man.
Smash that bell. All that, bro.
You know we finna go stupid, bro. You know we the best looking niggas in y'all school. Stop capping.
North Shore. Nah, 10th grade campus.
10th grade campus, bro.
But bro, we trying to go crazy though, bro.
Bro, just shit we trying to get into.
We just trying to. We really trying to be on some real stuff with this, bro. But you know, tell y'all share all that.
Hey,
tell
bro.
y'all friends about us. Everything.
Look, the ones that fuck with Jalen harder, they fuck with me. Like y'all don't talk to me, bro. Y'all gotta talk to me. Like bro. Like it wouldn't be fair. Like all my friends fuck with you and your friends don't fuck with me, bro.
Wait, what you mean?
Like you know how I ain't gonna say names, but like your friends that don't fuck with me, they fuck with you. They don't fuck with me. Like they don't even follow me on Instagram.
I don't understand that. But hey,
look, bro.
are you talking about me?
I'm talking about all your friends that don't talk to me. I'm not being disrespectful.
Okay, I understand.
Damn, we only got 5 minutes worth of this shit. You gonna have to cut like, or we could just put it. Maybe like the first. Oh yeah, we could put the time limit under it. Like this is the time where it actually started.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, bro. We that's the end of the video.
Yeah, man, shit. Yeah.
This the
All
end
y'all
of the video.
know. Subscribe, like. You
Follow
get
us on the gram. We gonna put our gram
Yeah.
and Snap. He can't even add nobody back on Snapchat. He got too many.
I got like.
But
Yeah.
we still gonna drop the Twitter, all that, bro.
My Twitter pretty freak, so
Don't go on his Twitter.
go on my Twitter.
Don't go on.
It's made for 17 plus.
18. But yeah, bro. We
But
gonna we gonna hit it up. What's the next video we gonna do, bro?
You wanna go there tomorrow? No.
We probably yeah.
We go there
Yeah,
tomorrow.
we gonna go to tomorrow. We gonna ask questions around. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
we gonna
we gonna
Which
go-
one should we do for like the next one? We did smash your pass already. Or you want to do it again?
Nah, bro. We gotta do another
All right.
like.
Oh, we're gonna do that one where you want to be a porn star. Model.
Yeah. Porn star. We gonna do that next. So y'all
be ready, bro.
Smash that like button. Yeah, y'all. That's gonna be live.
This one is basic. We gonna be on our
That's
shit.
gonna be live.
Go to tomorrow, bro.
Y'all just be ready, bro, for the comment. Bro.
Yeah. But we gonna fuck with y'all later, bro. Thanks. Keep watching.